Preview natin. Okay, this is the ending part na. So, i-drag muna natin ulit pa from the beginning. Ayan. So, ito na yung ginawa natin. Let's play it from the top. It's time to unwind. Ayan, so natapos na natin. Tapos na tayo mag-edit. And to save the file, actually may konti muna tayong gagawin because yung music natin is mas mahaba doon sa ating total na time for the video. So, alam nyo na itong gawin nyo is yung razor ulit. Puputulin ulit natin. So, hanggang dito lang siya. There. And then, razor. And then, the other half, yan, putulin natin. And then, ayan. So, I think okay na tayo. So, next natin is, how do you save yung file niyo?